When you search for the best Pilates reformers for home, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Janua Pilates Board Purple. The Janua Pilates Board in purple caught my eye right away. Priced at $108.90, it's a foldable reformer that promises to take your home workouts up a notch. If you want a compact solution for full body training, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This board is designed with adjustable resistance, so whether you're a beginner or more advanced, you can customize your workouts. It comes with a multi-function resistance band for strength building and a smart timer for effective training management. Plus, the included phone holder makes it easy to follow along workout videos. Over 600 of these boards were sold in the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed instructions. Here's the thing though, it's pretty intuitive to use if you've done any Pilates before. For newbies, you might have to watch a few videos, but that's not a total deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one Pilates solution that doesn't take up too much space. Skip this one if you need something super heavy duty, as it's more for home use than serious studio workouts.
Product number 2, Janua Pilates Board Black. Here's another option from Janua, the Black Pilates Board, priced at $109.90. This one is similar to the purple version, but might suit your aesthetic better. If you're looking for a sleek design that fits in with your home decor, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this board is that it also features high-intensity workouts for your shoulders, abdomen, and arms. With its adjustable resistance system, you can tailor your training to meet your personal fitness needs. This board is lightweight at just 4.54 kilograms, making it easy to move around. The sales numbers are impressive too, with over 500 sold in the last month. Now, I noticed some reviews mentioning that it can feel slightly wobbly during use. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using it on a stable surface, it holds up pretty well. Just be mindful of your setup and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish Pilates reformer that's easy to store. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional and heavier setup.
Product number 3, Janua Pilates Board, Pink. We have the pink version of the Janua Pilates Board, priced at $109.90. This one is eye-catching and functional, blending fitness with fun colors. If you want something that brings energy to your workout space, this is worth a serious look. This board includes all the same features as the others, like the adjustable resistance and multi-function resistance band. But what stands out for me is how motivating the color is during workouts. It's a great choice if you want your equipment to inspire you. With 400 sold in the past month, it's clearly making an impact. Some users did mention that the color can fade over time. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it, it should hold up just fine. Just avoid direct sunlight when storing it. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, colorful addition to your home gym. Skip this one if you prefer neutral tones in your workout gear.
Product number 4, FlowDare Pilates Workout Cards. If you're looking for a more instructional approach, the FlowDare Pilates Workout Cards are a great addition at just $17.87. These cards caught my attention because they offer structured workouts alongside your reformer. If you're tired of guessing what to do next, these are worth a serious look. Each card includes a video tutorial via QR code, along with clear illustrations for precision. This means you can follow along without wandering off to find a workout online. Plus, there are 67 cards that cover a range of difficulties, making it easy to keep things fresh. The organization with metal rings is also a thoughtful touch, so no more messy piles of paper. Over 100 of these have sold recently, indicating a strong interest. However, some buyers wished for more advanced exercises included. Here's the thing, these cards cater to both beginners and advanced users, so while it may not have every advanced move, it definitely covers a wide range. This is perfect for you if you need structured guidance for your Pilates sessions. Skip this if you're looking for a standalone reformer, as these are just cards.
Product number 5, Janua Pilates Board Purple Set. We have another Janua option, the Purple Set, priced at $118.90. This model features a newly added push-up bar and Pilates bar for even more workout variety. If you want a reformer that grows with your fitness journey, this is worth a serious look. This board maintains all the awesome features we've discussed, like adjustable resistance and a smart timer. But with the added bars, you can engage in more dynamic workouts, targeting different muscle groups. The versatility it offers is fantastic for someone who really wants to elevate their home workout game. It's been bought by over 50 people in the past month, which shows it's gaining traction. Some users reported that the assembly took longer than expected. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the additional features make it worth the effort, especially if you're serious about your fitness. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tool that can adapt to your evolving fitness level. Skip this if you're looking for something that's ready to use right out of the box.
So there you have it, the top 5 Pilates reformers for your home. We covered some fantastic options from Janua and a great set of workout cards from Flowdare. Depending on your style, space, and fitness goals, you have plenty of choices to help you stay fit at home.